Instagram is all about style and show business. No matter what line of work you're in, your post needs to be stylish and eye-catching because that is going to make the first impression on your followers and your clients. So what's up YouTube, this is Nimit from Webchronic, and today I'm going to show you how you can make awesome Instagram post for your business page. So let's get started. And let's go to canva.com. It's CANVA canva.com. And now it gives me three options to pick from. One is to sign up with Google, or the other one is to sign up with Facebook, or I can sign up with email. I would like to go with Google, and I'll select the account. And now we are in the dashboard section area of Canva. And now on the right hand side top, we see create a design. Let's click on it. And then we need to select Instagram post from here. Let's do that. And now we are in the layout design area of Canva. And this layout is pretty much appropriate for Instagram post. So let's get started. On the left we see templates, or we can pick a picture from here, a photograph, or we can pick the elements or the text or the music or the videos, the background, or we can upload an image, or we can create some folders over here. So let's get started with the pre-built templates. So let's click on template, and this is the template section area. It gives you some categories to pick from. For example, the love Instagram post, or the food Instagram post, the sale Instagram post. So we can pick from one of these options. So let's pick a template first and create our Instagram post using the template. So let me see if I get something good over here. Let's say I want to pick this one, and let's say that my business niche is clothing, men clothing. So let me see what I can do over here. I can select this content and I can change it to, let's say, tailoring since 1972, and I can change this content as well. Let's say I want to say rockstar clothing for men, and I can change this one as well. Let's say I want to say winter sale discount at the rate 50%, and I can delete this. So you see, working on template is pretty easy. If you're not liking the image, you can select this and you can even change the image. I'll show you how you can do that. There is another thing we can do. We can change the color of this particular font. We can select this, and at the top you will see the font. You can select from here and you can pick the font of your choice. There are a lot of options to pick from, but you cannot pick these options because for these options you'll have to upgrade to the Pro version. The other thing you can do is you can change the font size. Right now it is 80, you can select 72, you can go down, or you can even increase it depending upon your content. Also you can change the color. Once you select over here, you can change the color from here. Let's say I want to go with this one, or change this from here. Or if you have the color code, you can type the color code over here and you can change the color from here. I can bring it back to white. And let me now show you one more thing what you can do. We can select this section, and at the top you will see transparency. Let's click over here, and right now the transparency is 100. Let's decrease it a bit. So if you see, you can do a lot of stuff on this free tool, which is Canva. Now let's go ahead and change the image. Let's select the image, and on the left you will see photos. Let's click over here. Now let's type formal men. Let's click on enter. These are the pro images. I can't pick these. Let me see if I get something for free. Let me try this one. First, I need to delete this image. Let me do that, and I can increase the size of this one. Okay, so that's how you can work on Canva. You can change the background image. You can change the content. That's how you can work on the template. Now let me show you one more way to create the Instagram post from scratch. Let's click on this plus, select this and delete it. Now let's go ahead and insert the image into it. One we can do from here on the left hand side, you can mention what exactly you're looking for and you can pick the images from here. Or the other thing you can do is you can go to unsplash.com and then we can type, let's say, clothing. Nothing here. Let me try something else. I can pick this one. Let me see if I get something else. You see on Unsplash, you'll get a lot of images to pick from. And the good thing about this website is that the images are for free. In fact, there are other websites I can show you where you can download the free images. One is the unsplash.com. The other one is Pexels, Pexels.com. Now let's type jeans over here. So even from here I can pick some stuff, and the images here are free as well. Okay, I'm liking this one. I can select this. There's another website I want to show you meanwhile, that is Pixabay. So this is the third website where you can pick the images from, and the images on all the three are free of cost. So I can download any image I like from here, but I think I like this one, so I'll select this one and I can select download from here. The original size is this, the large, the medium. I would like to go with medium size. Let's click on free download. Okay, so this is the image which I've downloaded. Let me click on close and let's go back to Canva. What I can do on the left hand side, I can go to uploads and then I can upload an image from here. Let's go to downloads and select this. I can even drag and drop the image over here. Okay, so here's the image. I can drag and drop it over here, and now I can resize it. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, looks good. And the other thing I can do on the left hand side, I can go ahead and pick the elements, select elements, and I can select shapes. Let me select this one. I can increase the size. Once you get this plus, it means that you're in the center of the page. So now I can drop it. And the other thing I can do is at the top, I can go to transparency and I can decrease the transparency to, let's say, 50. All right, looks good. And on the left hand side, I can go back to text and I can select the text from here. Let's say I want to select this one. I can resize it. Okay, so I can change the content from here. And now I can type, let's say, since 1980. What I can do, I can select this, and at the top, either I can change the font, or I can change the font size or the color. I can make it bold, italic, underline, or I can change the alignment. Let me just do that. Okay, that's the center. Or else I can make it uppercase or lowercase. I can go ahead and select the bullets. Or I can change the spacing from here, but I don't want to do that. So that's one thing. The other, let's say I want to change the name, which is Rockstar again, Rockstar Jeans. Okay, and then I can select this. Let's say I want to say for men, and then I can select this, and I can delete this stuff. And now let's say I want to say summer discount on all jeans and jackets at the rate 50%. Okay, so what I can do now, I can select this. It's 17.9 right now. I can make it 16. Okay, looks good. Or the other thing I can do, I can bring it in the center. This is how I can do it. And I can just do the adjustments. Select this in the center, then select this in the center. So that's how you can create the Instagram post from scratch without using any template. Now let me show you what else we can do with this particular tool. Let's click on plus, select this and delete it. And now I'm going to show you one more feature. On the left hand side you will see videos. Let's click over here. And let me see if I have something good in jeans or clothing maybe. Let me type style over here. Okay, this is the pro. This is free, but not so good. Let me see if I get something good over here. Let me type stylish. Or I can type fashion. Okay, this one is for free. Let's select this one and resize it. And now what I can do, I can select this, copy this, and I can paste it over here. And now I can select this, I can copy this, and I can paste it over here. So this is basically the Instagram post, but it is a video. Now let me show you how you can play it. Let's select this and click on the play button. So that's how you can add the video on the background and create the Instagram story or the Instagram post, and it looks pretty good. Now let me show you the other thing we can do. The next thing I'm showing you is something that I love. Let me click on this plus again and delete this. Let me go back to videos again and let me type time lapse over here. And let me see if I get something good. This is nice, but this is the pro version, so I don't want to pick this one. You just need a bit of a practice to work on Canva, and once you are good at it, you're just gonna take 3 to 4 minutes to create one post. So I'm just looking out for something good to pick from. So you see there are tons of templates to pick from. Let me type watch over here. Or I can type time. This is pro, this is pro. Okay, I think I can pick this one and I can adjust the size. Okay, this is the time-lapse video. Okay, let's create this a bit differently. So this is fine, and I can select the background and I can change the color to, let's say, black. Okay, this is fine. Now I can select text from here. I can go back. I can either select add a heading, or if I'm liking any font, I can pick the font from there. Let's say I want to pick this one. And now I can pick it up and drop it over here. That's the center. I can select this and I can change the color from here. Let me make it white. And I can select this. I can delete this because I don't want it. Or the other thing I can do is I can just do the right click and I can ungroup it. So once I just ungroup it, I can just pick it up and drop it over here. I can select this and I can change the color. Okay, this is fine. Now let's say I want to save Webchronic, which is my channel name. Okay, and that's the center. And now I want to say, and now let's say I want to say here, times running. Learn a skill. And I can select this and I can resize it. Let's say I want to make it 20. Okay, 20 is fine. Okay, and that's the center. It's pretty simple to do the adjustments. You just have to pick it, drag it and drop it. And then I can select this, copy this, right click and paste. And then I can move it over here. And I can just expand it like that. Now let's say I want to say create websites for any business. And I want to say learn digital marketing. With me. I can select this and I can resize it. Let's say I want to make it 30. Hit enter. And that's the center. And then I can copy this again, paste it, bring it over here. And I want to say, and I want to type my website address, which is www.websitechronic.com. Alright, looks pretty good. Let's do the checkup now. Let's have a final look. Let's hit the play button. Alright, that's how it looks. So that's how you can create the Instagram post for your business, a picture post, or you can create the video post. Like this one is the video post, or this one, that's the time lapse. So now let me create one more post for you for your better understanding. Let's click on plus again. And now let's go to, okay, we can go to templates. Since I've showed you how you can pick a template and create a post, so let me give you more examples. Let me see which template I can pick. Now let's say if I'm into hairstyling or salon niche, I can pick this template, or I can just type gym over here, and these are the gym templates. I can select this one. If I want, I can keep this image, but this is the paid image, so I can delete this and I can select the image from here. Let me go to photos and type gym, and I can pick this and drop it over here, and I can do some of the adjustments like this. And then I can say don't quit now, you're nearly there. I can mention my gym name. Let's say again Rockstar Gym, and I can select this. I can change it to 80. So now I can mention my gym tagline over here, my gym website URL. So that's how I can create simple yet very classy post. I can change images very easily. Select this, pick it up and drop it over here, just like that. It's pretty simple to use. Let's click on plus again, and this is the last design I'm creating for you. Let's go to, okay, let's do the color work first. Let's select this and select the color, background color. Now let's say I want to pick this color. Let's select this one, and now we can go to photos, and I can type computer, or let's say I want to type laptop over here. Let's say I pick this one, change the size. Like that. And now what else we can do? We can go to elements, I can select from the grids, or I can select from the shapes. Let me show you what is a grid basically. Let me select this one, and now I can just do a right click on the image and detach image from background. So the image is here, and I can just do this. If I want, I can add one more image over here. Let me go back to photos, type laptop again, and pick an image. Now let's say I want to pick this one, not this one, this one is fine. I can just drop it over here. So now I have two images and a bit of a background over here. So what else we can do? We can go back to elements, select the shape, and go to transparency, decrease it. All right, looks good. And we can go to text again. I can select this, decrease the size, that's the center. I can type Best Buy sale on laptops. Tabs and desktops. I can just do the bit of resize thing. I can increase the font, and then I can just do the right click and I can select ungroup, so I can drag and drop. I can drag and drop this one, even the sale, Then I can select this, bring it over here, select this again, make it 19. That's the center. Select this, and that's the center. And that's how you can create the Instagram post through images or through videos. So we have templates, we have photos, we have the elements, we have text. You can even add the music from here. We can pick the videos. We can select the background. You can select one of these templates and you can create a background. And then you can do the editing work. Now let me show you how to do that. Let me click on plus again, select this background like that. And now I can pick any of the stuff from the top. Let's say I want to pick this one. I can select this, copy this, and I can paste it over here. I can select this and I can increase the transparency like that. So this is how you can pick the background. You can upload an image, and once you have a lot of stuff already made on Canva, you can create folders over here. So this is how we can work on Canva to create stunning posts for Instagram through images or through videos. Now let's go ahead and download all the stuff. At the top you'll see download. Let's select over here and then click on download. And it is advisable that you should download all the pages one by one. Do not select all because some are the videos and some are the images. It is going to change the format. So let's select page number 1. Select done. The first page is an image. It is not a video. So we are going to select PNG for high quality image. Let's click on download. Close this. And the second one, this one is an image as well. So let's select this. Click on download, select PNG and page number 2. Alright, this is also done. The third one is a video. So we are going to select download again. Video is fine. Select page number 3. Alright, this is good. Select the fourth one. It's a video again. Page number 4. Click on download. And page number 5 is an image. Select download. Page number 5. Page number 6. I can select page number 6. I can select page number 7 as well. Because all the 3 are images, I can click on done. Select PNG. Click on download. Alright, so this is it. Let's have a final look. Go to the download section. Select this. Alright, looks good. Select this one. This is also great. This is a video. Perfect for the Instagram post. You can even upload the same on Facebook. And select this. Okay, the time-lapse effect. This also looks stunning. And when you download a lot of files together, it creates a zip folder. You can always do a right click and extract the files. Alright, like that. Select this. This looks great as well. Select this one. This is also great. Okay, so all the images we have created, all the videos we have created, they all look very professional for your business page on Instagram, or you can even use the same on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a new fine technique to create amazing and stylish Instagram post for your business. Feel free to like this video or comment below. I'll be more than happy to reply you back. Subscribe the channel if you would like to learn about making websites or making money online. It's time for me to sign off. This is Nimit from Webcronic. You have a good day, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.